guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger and you have headlamp washers, headlight washing system, and you want to see where the fuse is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today guys. Now many of you asked similar information. If it doesn't work, the headlamp washers do not work, we actually have a video that explains that as well, but we will explain in this video why it's super important actually to test fuses, not to just look at them, so make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So specifically guys, this is a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we'll be demonstrating on. So what we need to do now, we need to open the hood. This one has been in a little bit of a fender bender here guys, but we'll just go ahead, open the hood, and once we open the hood, okay, we'll show you what we need to do now. So this is guys the fuse box that we need to check right here. You need to squeeze these things open, flip it, okay, and on the back side you have the fuse diagram right here as well. The fuse that we need to check guys, okay, for the headlamp washer is actually known as fuse F21 guys. F21 will be headlamp washer will be a 30 amp fuse, and it will be this one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 guys will be the one that you will need to check. Our car is not equipped with that, but we wanted to make the video for any of you looking for that information. If you have any more questions guys, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.